Ashley, what is your product that you're trying to sell us?
I'm gonna sell pink hair dye because it's cool and it's in my
Okay,
hand.
do you have any samples to show us?
Yeah, right here. See that? See that? Isn't that cool? Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, see that, guys? See that, guys? Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Work that pink hair.
How much is this product?
You own that.
It's like $29.99.
For a whole hair piece?
No, it's not a hair piece. Hello, it's actual hair dye. It's like you actually put it in and it actually stays in.
When did you get that?
It's not like those bumpets, you know those bumpets that they make for their hair? Well, they just fall out. My mom has some of those. And they just fall out. So no. No, it is actual hair dye. It's like my blonde. It's like real. It does wash out, unfortunately. But it takes like a month and a half, so it's all good. It's all good.
And how long have you been wearing this hair dye?
It's not wearing. It's like actually my hair.
Sorry. How long have that hair dye been in your
Excuse
hair?
me.
Oh, you're done.